Do you want to check SSD lifespan on your Windows 11 computer? Then you are at the right place, as here is how to do so. Let's get started. This is the Windows Club. If you have an SSD drive tucked away inside of your computer, you will want to learn how to perform a health check of the SSD because you may require this service in the distant future. Many computers users believe SSDs are immune to corruption or damage, but that is far from the truth. Microsoft has made it possible for users to check the health of their SSDs from within Windows without needing to download a third-party application. So let us take a look at how to accomplish this with ease. Let's get started. Method 1. Use the Windows terminal. First, we will look at how to use the Windows terminal to determine the health of your solid-state drive. Right-click on the Start button or the Windows icon. From the context menu, please select Windows Terminal as admin. Wait for the Windows terminal to open. Once up and running, please type this. Hit the Enter key on your keyboard finally, then you should type this. Finally, hit the Enter key once more. If the drive is fine, then you will see status OK, but if not, then status pred fail will appear instead. Method 2. Use CrystalDiskInfo and CrystalDiskMark tools. Another way to determine the lifespan of your solid-state drive is to make use of two interesting tools, and they are CrystalDiskMark and CrystalDiskInfo tools. These are simple yet powerful programs, so let us discuss the aspect that tracks the health of your drive. CrystalDiskInfo. If you want a quick and comprehensive check of the health of your SSD, then this is the program to use. Download CrystalDiskInfo from the official website or from Microsoft Store. Install the program on your computer. Once installed, launch it right away. After launch, you should see your drive's health without pressing any additional keys. One of the things you must check is your SSD's health status. There are 3 modes for the same depending on the condition of your SSD. If it shows good, your SSD is perfectly fine and you can continue using it for a lot of years. If it displays caution, you will see the keyword caution if the health of your SSD is starting to degrade. Now, if it shows bad, this word implies that you are fortunate that your SSD hasn't given up yet. Next, check the total hosts write. You can see the amount of data you have already written. Since we are taking 700 TB as an average lifespan value of an SSD, go ahead and subtract the total hosts write value from it. From this, you can estimate the lifespan of your disk. As you can see from the drive in the photo, this SSD has a healthy 33% usage, which is good according to CrystalDiskInfo. CrystalDiskMark. When it comes down to using CrystalDiskMark, this tool is all about measuring the transfer speed of media data storage drives such as HD, SSD, USB memory, SD card, and NAS. Download CrystalDiskMark via the official website. From there, install the file on your computer. The next step then is to open CrystalDiskMark. Finally, click on All to allow the program to scan your drive. Doing this will deliver read-write information about your SSD. If the numbers are significantly below your SSD's typical speed, your drive is not healthy. Method 3. Use SeaTools. If you have a Seagate solid-state drive installed on your computer, it is best to download and use the SeaTools app, as it is designed primarily to keep tabs on the company's SSDs. To use the SeaTools application, visit the official website. Click on the SeaTools for Windows. Once installed, press the Quick Test button under the Health tab. Wait for a few seconds. After that, you should have information about your SSD's life, among other things. Method 4. Check your warranty. Most of the time, your SSD's warranty is nearing the end of its life cycle. For example, if the warranty of your SSD is 5 years and 600 TBW and you have used it for the same amount for like 2 years, it is pretty acceptable to say that your device will run for 3 to 4 years more. There are many factors that affect the lifespan of an SSD. Metrics such as TBW and MTBF are crucial. This is why you should consult your manufacturer and ask them how long your SSD will last. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.